Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
UMP ke Rajya Sabha bamenta na Meghalaya Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi uloong ba un Shongthait no na ka jinglong nong mi khmat tang shukut ka Samoi tre kam jong u kum UMP uba mi khmat ya ka jilla Meghalaya sha ka yeng dor bar thau an jo ka Rajya Sabha haga jinga kren bakila pathai khubor haga khatsan tri uya yong asa pusan uloong ba ka deipat sa ka benta jong kinong yalam ki barang khamsam la ban mi bujli bat ban beteng ya ka jinglong nong mi khmat na ka ni ka jilla sha ka Rajya Sabha.
Well, MDA, I think they have, like last time, MDA one day given their report before the election, this is what they have done. And I think they have their, their own policy, government policy, and what they have done. They're trying to do like this with the road development, if you look at tourism, they're trying on their own. No, I'm sorry. I should retire, I think. Because you see, government 7 retired 58, no? So by my next term, I'm nearly touching 70 just. So I think I need young ones to come.
So who is coming?
I don't know. That's for the party to decide. Suggested anyone?
Any name? Have you suggested?
No. That is for the party. I don't know. It's for the party to decide. No. What I know is that I want to retire. That's what I. No, not 2 times. One so is like this. First, this Thomas. He resigned, no? Because contest the MLA from, he was NCP, then he went to NPP. So she went for that only. Then after that, she got her 6th term. So she's 8 terms.